Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about how to make DIY organizers or the ones that will help you to keep your products in a small space. So I have been getting so many products to review, so I'll be attaching the photo over here, you can see. So what I was facing the issue is I was having the entire space eaten up by it all, just caught up by this products only. So I thought of making some organizers, and for that you will be needing only few things that you generally have it in your home. If you are a person who buys so many things from online, then you must be getting those packs of cardboard, maybe from Amazon or maybe from Flipkart or any of the cardboard of any site or any brand. If you have it, then you can make it. So without further delay, let's get started and let me show you how to do it, and let me show you the end results also. So let's get started. Let's start by taking a cardboard and applying the plain papers on it. I am using white paper because it was readily available with me, and one side of it was only used, so I used the other side. After all, I am recycling all the waste, so why not this also? So make sure to secure all the four corners of the cardboard box with sellotape. I forgot to do that, I did it later on. So make sure you do that as well and secure it, and then paste the papers on all the sides. So once you're done with that, I'm taking some sketch pens to draw the face on my box to make it more attractive. Just a plain box won't look good. So I'm taking one side of the box which will be somewhat visible from every place, and I'm going to draw the hair first. For that I am taking the sketch pen that is little what this doesn't exactly give me a exact black tone, but a little light black tone. I'm just marking it so that I can easily get to know from where I should start. And I'm using curly hairs because I have curly hair, so I have used curly hair, and I am giving a front bun to it so that it will look good. Now continue this, and then I'll tell you what you need to do. So you have seen I have done it with a sketch pen. Now I'll be using a black marker to complete it and make it dark and give the final touch. Now you can see I have done the hair part with the marker. Now I am drawing the eyes. I am making big round eyes to make it look much more beautiful. As you have seen in Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse, they really look beautiful. So I thought of making an eye, and I'm using my hand to exactly measure how distant the eye should be. I just kept one hand or one palm distance between the eyes,
Now I'll be drawing the eyeballs and I'm giving them a blue color. So with the help of blue marker I'm drawing the eyeballs, and you can also do the same. And the eyes need not be totally oval and the eyeballs need not be totally circle, because this will be kept in a place where you will be standing at a distance and you will be seeing it. So you need not make it perfect. If you try to make it perfect, it will get worse. I can assure you that. I have tried and tested. So just go with the flow. Now after this we'll be drawing the mouth. Just make a smiley face and a tongue and it is done. And you can also make a nose along with that. And to make it colorful I have used brown color to make the eyebrows, you can see. So this is the final outcome. You can also make some other like I have made.
I hope you have liked this video. If you have made your own such organizers, do post it over Instagram and tag me with your organizers that you have made, and I would love to watch them. And if you are not following me over Instagram, follow me over Instagram. This is the handle of my Instagram. And if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then,